Hey guys, it's Brett with Learn to Barbecue, and in this video we're going to be doing a smoked chuck roast, or as it's often referred to as, poor man's brisket, although I'm not sure if that stays true today with beef prices. I got this bad boy for $8.77 a pound at Walmart. It cost me 23 bucks, but it's still a great alternative if you don't want to smoke a whole brisket, or you just need a smaller amount of beef. Flavor's still there, and we're going to get into it right now. All right, so here's my chuck roast. One thing you want to do when you're looking for a chuck roast is, just like you would any cut of beef, is look for some good marbling. As you can see, we've got some throughout here. Good, not great. My wife chose this piece out, so we'll give her a B+. I'm gonna go ahead and put a binder on it. I'm gonna go with some Worcestershire. You could use anything else you want, or you don't have to. And it should stick pretty well with just your salt and pepper base. You can also throw in some garlic pepper if you want. Any other seasonings you can think of, but in my opinion, the best way to do it, just heavy salt and pepper like you would Texas style brisket. We're gonna fire up our ThermaWorks gateway here, tap our probe to it, insert this bad boy into the middle so we can monitor temps as we're cooking. All right. Now she's ready for the grill.
So in my ThermaWorks app here, I'm seeing that the chuck roast is about 164. That's pretty ideal, so we're gonna head out to the grill and grab it. Yeah, this is looking pretty nice. I'm gonna take it off the grill here, go inside and wrap it in some butcher paper, and don't forget to grab your drippings. We're gonna use those as well. And we're gonna use up all those juices that we saved, all those drippings. Those are gonna help steam and continue cooking that chuck roast so we get it to fork tender just like we like it. Now we're gonna head back out to the grill. It's still gonna be running about 240, 250, and we'll throw this on until we reach our internal temp of 204. So it's been on the grill for about 3 more hours. Let's unwrap this here and probe it with our ThermaPen 1. As you can see, that's exactly where we want it. We're getting 205. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this off the grill and head inside for a very important part that you don't want to miss. This is really a key to getting moist meat. It's the rest stage. As many of you might know, this is really important for top quality barbecue. So the next step is another wrap. We're going to use tin foil this time. Going to leave it in the butcher paper, and I'm going to double wrap in tin foil, and that's going to keep all those juices locked in. Moist meat is what we're looking for. I always like to take a towel or two and wrap the meat in the towels for some added insulation. That's really going to retain that heat, keep it cooking while not overcooking it. And the final step is to put it in the cooler and let it rest. You can do it as long as you want. I'll probably rest mine for about 2 hours. Okay, it's been in the cooler for about 2 hours and 10 minutes. Gonna go ahead and take it out of the foil. You can see all that moisture, all that juice, all that flavor is there. Let's take it out and we're gonna slice it, see how we did. It's slicing like butter, just like a nice pork roast, just like a nice brisket. As you can see, we got the juice we want and the taste is perfect.